So I'm sitting here, just wrapped up a video that I did on Toyota, and news comes across the board that Nissan is killing the Titan. And it strikes me funny because this isn't going to be a beat up on Nissan video, because I'm one of the people that I've watched a video today by Savage Geese where they were just picking on the poor Frontier, and I think the Frontier is an excellent truck. They were talking about rust issues. I don't what the hell they were talking about there, because there's never been known rust issues. They live in Chicago where everything rusts, so you can't presume your environment it determines. But so TFL had posted this up there, and I'm not going to show their screen or anything, be out of respect to them, but I will say here is the quote. Production of the Nissan Titan is scheduled to end the summer of 2024 at our Canton plant in Mississippi. Now, I've had sources that's told me this is coming, but the funny thing was, I did a video a week or so ago saying, hey, the truck is dead, and I had a source tell me this. And then Nissan quickly, and I'm not going to say it's because of my video, but they quickly came out, and uncharacteristic of the brand, they came out and said, hey, no, we're going to do a 24. And I thought, well, okay, well, that's just that's weird, because hell, we didn't even know that we were going to get a 23 till February of this year. So it was odd that they were going to do, release a statement about 24. So I thought, okay, they're going to continue to scrape by with this truck and get anything out of it they can, because, the drivetrain under this truck, 2016, there's been no real changes of the underpinning of this truck. They've done some, in 2020, they did some upgrades to tech, but past that, and some headlights and taillights. But past that, I've told you guys for 2 years this is coming. And in the comments below, I've had people, that understand, I do have a pretty good Nissan connection. And they're like, well, that's a bummer. And then there's been people just, you don't know what you're talking about, this and that. And of course, I've even had people go, well, tell me your sources. That's not how this game works, guys. Anyway, so because Nissan is transforming the plant into an EV plant, basically, they are going to discontinue the beloved Titan. I've owned one of these Titans. It's very sad to me. Like I said, I don't say this with there's nothing like makes me happy about this. I wanted that truck to work so bad. I at least one for 3 years as a long-term truck to do one of our first reviews over on the Nissan Nation Productions channel. And it was a great truck. Just an excellent truck. So, like I said, I don't say this to be like, aha, I told you. But I will say, especially with Nissan brands, guys, I'm pretty connected to the brand. I live in Middle Tennessee. I know a lot of people. I know a lot of management. And this really bums me out. And I think it hurts there's a good aftermarket community for this. Z1 really got into the support for that truck. And there's people that I've seen more than other brands, like the Frontier guys will step up to Titan, where it's not necessarily, you don't see that with the Toyota brand as much. But I wanted to do this little video and say goodbye to the Titan. It's a bummer. I told you it was coming though. And well, I don't know how this is going to affect 2024 sales. How did you just drop news of a 24? And then this is, by the way, TFL says this is confirmed by a source confirmed by Nissan. So there you go. So whether it be two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, or this poor Nissan Titan will never get to drive again, this has been your All Terrain Nation. I'm your host, David Boyd, and we're out. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.